It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Thursday, the 9th of December. I'm Michael Groff. A cold front approaching the region by tonight. That's going to lead to an increase in clouds, winds, and chances of rain, maybe even an isolated thunderstorm. But by tomorrow morning, that moves on out of here. The coolest temperatures we've had so far this season come in thereafter in its wake. The weekend is looking pretty good, but then another opportunity for some unsettled weather in here for next week. All right, let's dive in and talk about it first. The almanac from yesterday, 72 degrees the afternoon high, 57 was the morning low, the normal high 67 and the normal low 46. And taking a look outside right now at 8:35 a.m., yes, there's a few clouds ongoing, and we're sitting at 55 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew point at 35, relative humidity 47%, the wind from the east-southeast at 9 miles per hour, and the barometer is rising. The upper air look shows a trough digging in across the western states. It's diving southeast toward us, so we will see that chance of rain increasing along with some wind by later this afternoon and tonight, and then that cooler air coming in behind that system. The watch warning map, a number of winter weather advisories. Winter storm watches and warnings extend from the Great Basin and the Sierra eastward through the Wasatch, the Rockies, and out into the Plain States, all the way up toward Minneapolis, St. Paul, and into parts of Wisconsin. Meanwhile, dense fog the issue over parts of the Gulf Coast and the Deep South. Convective outlook for today, maybe a little thunder possible, again, parts of the southeast U.S., but overall things are quiet. We could even hear a rumble of thunder in Phoenix, although the SPC has not defined that risk for us just yet, but it is possible as that cold front comes through this evening. And here's a look at precipitation. This is valid through next Thursday morning. Rain amounts in Phoenix between about 1/2 to 1 inch. Heavier totals up north and across the rim country, and of course some of that will come down in the form of snow. But not all of this is with the system due in here tonight. We do expect another opportunity for precipitation early next week. We'll talk about that in more detail as we get to the models right now. And here we go. This is the GFS. It's the 06Z run. This is valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. There's that trough setting up here across the western states, a southwesterly flow out ahead of it, bringing in the moisture. So down at the surface, some sun this morning, then mostly cloudy sky by this afternoon. We could even see an isolated shower by late in the day today, although I do think the majority of the day here in Phoenix is going to be dry, and high temperatures in the upper 60s to low 70s, fairly similar to what we saw yesterday. By tonight, the cold front will be approaching us, so we'll see that frontal band of showers and maybe even an isolated thunderstorm. Out ahead of it, there could be a few showers this evening, but the best chance of rain probably holds off until about 9 or 10 o'clock, thereabouts. And we'll take a look at that in more detail with the high-resolution models. This is the HRRR, the high-resolution rapid refresh, at 6 p.m. this evening, and you could see a few discrete showers or discrete cells are possible out ahead of the main frontal band here in the Phoenix area. By that point, the frontal band should extend from Imperial and Riverside County northeastward toward La Paz and Yavapai, well to the northwest of us. Then by 11 o'clock, you can see that band is moving in here. Showers, maybe even a rumble of thunder with enough instability. And I wouldn't even be surprised to see some gusty winds. Not severe criteria, but still gusty winds, maybe 30, 35 miles per hour. And a little bit of small hail could even mix in with the strongest cells. But that's going to be short-lived because by late in the overnight hours and certainly by tomorrow morning, that's going to start to move out of here. Lows tonight will be in the mid-40s to low 50s. And then tomorrow, again, maybe a shower early in the morning, otherwise partly sunny, a bit cooler, high temperatures low to mid-60s. And then as that system continues to move out of here, we'll see clearing skies for tomorrow night. Radiational cooling takes over, lows mid-30s in the cool spots, low 40s in the urban core. I wouldn't be surprised to see the coldest desert spots well away from the Phoenix metro getting down to near freezing, but I don't think we have to worry about frost here in Metro Phoenix. This does not appear to be quite as cool a system as what we were initially thinking. And the day on Saturday looks great, highs in the mid-60s or so. Sunday, mostly sunny, highs upper 60s to low 70s. And then on Monday, another system is approaching the western states, and we will see an increase in clouds out ahead of it, partly sunny sky, high temperatures still in the upper 60s to low 70s. And by Monday night and Tuesday, that system is coming our way. And we're going to start to introduce a chance of rain into the forecast here. The majority of our ensemble guidance shows a more robust system. This run of the GFS, a little less so, but still, we'll call for a 50% chance of rain on Tuesday, especially by the afternoon. And high temperatures should fall back a little bit back into the middle 60s, maybe even a little bit cooler than that. Then that system will move on out of here by Wednesday, maybe a few showers in the morning. Otherwise, partly sunny and cooler. High temperatures, upper 50s to low 60s. So we should see below average temperatures if that works out. Then a week from today, this is Thursday the 16th, we've got another low off of the west coast. A southwesterly flow here, so periods of high clouds would continue. Temperatures fairly seasonal if that verifies. And then as we go out 10 days, this is Saturday the 18th, another upper low poised to move on to the Southern California coast. And unsettled weather would be knocking on our door here once again. So we could see another opportunity for unsettled conditions way out here by the end of next week or the following weekend. But as always, I caution you, this is 10 days out. And we're in a La Nina pattern, so this is almost certainly going to change. But boy, model trends are really favoring more active weather here for mid to late December, and that's good to see. Speaking of, taking a look at rainfall for the Phoenix area coming off of the European ensemble. This goes all the way out through the 23rd of the month. And hey, the ensemble mean is nosing up close to an inch. The control member is at about an inch. And you got some members there over an inch, one up around 2.5 inches of rain. I'm not sure we'd see that, but again, the trend is favoring more active weather for the next 10 days to 2 weeks. Looking at temperatures off the national blend of models, highs on most days in the 60s, overnight lows in the 40s. And the coolest desert spots certainly could get down into the 30s on a couple of mornings. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, click that notification bell, and leave your comments, questions, and suggestions. I thank you so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. All of your support. We couldn't do these videos without you. You guys be safe out there and have yourselves an amazing Thursday.